WWDC 2024 recap: how Siri controls apps on Apple Intelligence-supported devices. There's nothing new about virtual assistants controlling machines or smartphones or any other sophisticated gadgets, but making an exceptional case and infusing an exemplary ability in a virtual assistant is what Apple just attained. During the opening season of its WWDC 2024 conference, the iPhone maker revealed Apple Intelligence, its in-house suite of all the AI features. Not only is this a user-centric artificial intelligence offering, but with the help of Apple's latest SDKs, developers can also embed this AI facility into their own iOS-based softwares. Apple's SDKs has recently been updated with countless new APIs and frameworks designed to let developers do wonders, like incorporating Image Playground or Gen AI image creation in their apps with just a few lines of code. Moreover, the tech giant seems to have worked enormously to make its Apple Intelligence let Siri control apps. Apple Intelligence supports iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple Watch, Apple TV, HomePod, and AirPods. These devices leverage AI for features like Siri, Face ID, advanced camera functions, health tracking, content recommendations, and smart home integration. Newer models with A-series and M-series chips enhance AI capabilities with a neural engine, providing sophisticated on-device machine learning and user personalization. At its developers keynote, Apple said that developers having employed Siri Kit can enhance for many of Siri's new features without any extra hassle. Areas they can improve include lists, notes, media, messaging, payments, restaurant reservations, VoIP calling, and workouts. The iPhone maker said that 2 new features have been integrated into Siri to facilitate developers. One would make Siri able to invoke any item from an app's menus, meaning that a user says something like, "I need to see my speaker notes," whereas the second would make Siri able to gain access to any text appearing on the page using Apple's standard text systems. These enhancements enable users to reference and act on on-screen text. For example, if you had a reminder or note to wish someone a happy birthday, they could just say FaceTime him to take action on that note.